Welcome to the Band Photos channel. If you enjoy historical photos, support us with a like and subscribe. Thank you.
Telephone line repairman at work, August 15th, 1929. People relaxing in the sunshine during June of 1922. Transporting Buick cars, Chillicothe, Ohio, 1940. A velvet-lit pose from the late 40s, where confidence and temptation shared the same silhouette. Miami Beach, 1940s. A miner at his evening meal, 1937. A picnic in the Missouri countryside, 1900. Sunlight in a 50s kitchen, catching a secret she never meant to hide. A family from Florida headed up north during the Great Depression. Children playing on a cart in Harlem, New York, 1920s. Newsboys in Hartford, Connecticut, 1909. A mid-century studio moment where elegance sat on the edge of innocence and quiet desire. Young lady playing a harp to a large crowd in Ireland in 1910. The Noonans take a drive in their car with their 14 children, 1920s. A car wreck from the days before seatbelts and airbags, 1930s. Crimson light of a forgotten dressing room, glowing on a body that knew exactly how to steal attention. A stylish family outing in 1946. Interior of a hunter's cabin in Maine, 1899. Beautiful women archers from the mid-20th century. Soft golden shadows turning a simple chair into a throne of forbidden glamour. Harley-Davidson motorcycle ambulance, 1920. A promising young photographer, 1880s. The champion watermelon eater at the 4th of July celebration in Brooklyn, 1935. A floral apron in the warm afternoon light, turning a domestic scene into something dangerously intimate. Little boy posing with style in 1904. Two boys being arrested for pickpocketing, New York, 1900s. Stylish couple driving an early car in Pittsburgh, 1907. A red knit dress in the corner of a dim room, capturing a look that melts the line between art and temptation. Madame de Courcelles, the first female taxi driver in Paris, France, 1909. Men pose in a Wild West saloon. Unknown date and location. Two Little Girls in 1887. Smoke curling around a perfect profile in a 60s noir pose, where danger and beauty breathe the same air. Portrait of a young girl from 1911. Newsboys Waiting for the Baseball Edition, Indiana, 1908. Two friends strolling in a cool stream on a warm day, 1910. moon-cut shadows shaping her figure against a cracked wall, a silent confession of elegance and desire. A young woman posing for a studio portrait, Kentucky, 1890-1910. Tintype of two Victorian chaps who really want to show you their feet. '70s cowboys enjoy drinks at the Equity Bar in Old Tascosa, Texas, 1907. Claude Monet and his wife in Venice, October 6, 1908. Kids Playing on a Balcony, Paris, 1913, by ex-Henri Roger schoolboys heading home for Christmas 1926. Schoolboys Heading Home for Christmas 1926. Celebrating the end of Prohibition in 1933. A llama in Times Square, New York, 1957. Portrait of unidentified beautiful family around 1875. This sled is bringing much joy to one winter reveler in 1938. A New York City police officer poses hanging in Times Square, 1920. Yvonne, 13, and Alexander Sarah, 12, take drink and smoke on yacht near Majorca, colorized. Milkman dropping off and picking up milk, 1939. Campsite in the foothills of the Rocky Mountains, Colorado, 1870. Portrait of Ella Carlson, 1916, Sweden. Violinist with his dog carrying a plate for coins, Madrid, Spain, 1933. A Beautiful Couple in Venice, 1890s. A gentleman tips his hat to a group of ladies, 1920s. A woman paints a canvas in nature, 1919. A woman in her thoughts on a sunny day, Los Angeles, 1912. A little boy selling vegetables on a Boston street in 1909. A couple of Victorian travelers, 1890s. Miss Mary McCandlish, 1840s. A saloon in Wyoming in the late 1800s. This 10-year-old boy started every day at 3 a.m. and then went to school. Texas, 1913. A family from Wisconsin, late 1800s. Young ladies in Norway, 1890s. A skyscraper builder seated at 800 feet above the ground, 1929. Lewis and Lola, Titanic survivors. A big sister taking care of her little brother, 1910. Barefoot kids at a mobile book cart in the Appalachian Mountains. Dapper young man, all dressed up to have his photo made, 1905. Mother with her daughter in 1880.